ado ay pukopok. Nan asin similyan da ina. Pukopok na ay kitoy aditan sa pinakalat.
We're teaching a 12-year-old how to plant.
Duck. See? It's easy.
There are a lot of tutubi. You want to get some tutubi? It's the month of July, right? So we're starting to plant our spring onions. Pero walang spring sa Pilipinas. Everyday springtime. Char. These are the ones na nauna ng tinanim. Look, they're sprouting. Let's get back to these two. I'll help this young girl. Let's remove the ano to? Ay, tayo nang maalis. Okay, 1, 2. Let's separate them. Ah, still there's a lot of roots. Ayan, sorry po. Ayan. May din pengi-pepe sa pengi okay, there it goes, there it goes. These are for our kimchi. See, ayan, see, you're learning, you're a natural born farmer. Tutulungan po natin pag separate tong mga binhi. Ayan, but we have to remove yung kanyang roots para mag-iwan tayo ng maganda nga yung ano, dindoy ka man ano no adi. Pwede bang bumili tayo ng ganun? 250. I-separate mo yan, dear. You have to do it like this kasi sayang. Ayan. Dapat i-give me that one. Akin na. Separate them para mas madami kang maitanim. See, it's all there. You're learning. That's your... Tapos musugip ko school. Anong ginawa nyo this, kapag sa ibang pag-aras? What have you done this summer? I just eat and hold my cell phone and watch Netflix and yeah. And sleep and eat. Wake up and
go to the bathroom.
And here I am, a brand new student.
Oh, adi. Sino na mamag mo? Kanan si kaya nanluglugan makpay adi.
I went to the farm because
Meat buda pa edi nan sala nan mulas mais.
I am a farmer.
Yes, ka nagsuti.
Can we plant mais? Nope. Pwede kasi meron kong nahanap na purple corn.
Ari gatay malugaman.
Dinligat na dinligam.
Nga. Hindi malugaman eh.
Manakas parsley.
Nalabdag ta. Nalabdag.
Madadala.
Oh, adi ka kakaano dala ko dito. Edi tangso ito pinsitan.
Yan, that's a crab. What is it? Yan, adi kang kakaano. Adi din sa watercress. Ibalik mo yung watercress. Tangsuya di sa. Hindi nalingdingan di tangsuya.
Pagkaman na ba?
Alay mo na yung swimming pool. Oh my God, what's this? Oh, what's that?
Get the purple ones. I think you can see the shades. No, there's still purples there. Careful. You know what? That is a breakable breakable what? Branches.
So, dapat ang gana man.
Oh, ng matuktok dag. Pakan kamano de si dia ay strong. So we just get it and we just taste it.
This
See it.
side dish nila.
Pwede. Niluluto kaya nila yan. This girl is obsessed with side dish. May you put it in your bado.
I think,
What?
yeah,
Yeah. Hey!
finish.
Spin. Okay.
They need to grow.
They need to grow like you.
Oh,
Okay, why is there's...
they need to color.
Don't step on that one. Okay.
I think it's done.
It's done. That's our farm. Okay.